Kei te rere, me ngā mau rākau, a kene pea he tuatahitanga.
I thought, oh, this would be a beautiful story to bring three-dimensionally in an even more immersive way than my previous works.
He whakaari e tā poi ana ki te motu, ara ko Hatupatu Kurungaituku, A Forbidden Love. Ko tā te tahi o ngā kaitohu tāne mahuta grey, kua whakakotahi mai te pūrākau nā ngā kōrero o ngā uri no Te Arawa.
For me, working alongside Wetini Mitai Ngātai from Te Matarai Orehu has been incredible. What he's given to the team in terms of the Maurako specialty, the lyrics that he's written for the bass that I'd set up for the waiata and the haka and the dialogue, and he's just leveled it up to the next level that we know the genius he is.
I am asking for Hatupatu and their tupuna and their realms to come into me to be able to portray these tupuna, so it's very spiritual. The physical aspects, the mental, yep, it's there, but it's more so the spiritual side that really challenges me a lot.
Kei te werohia te whakaari i ngā kiripuaki kia ako i ngā āhuatanga ti taritari mo te paki waitara nei.
Well, first of all, I'm a dancer and an actor, but this is my first time doing aerial work. So I'm a bit afraid of heights, so there's that sort of level. So as a personal thing, that was breaking through that.
E rua ngā kōwhiringa mā te māria, e āhei ana te noho te tūrā nei kia pā heko te wheako.
So you're actually the ngahere and you're actually the thermal pulls as well as an audience member, so you get to play an acting credit in the show as well, just by attending.
Just being able to connect with the audience, being able to make sure our audience understand how ko te reo Māori or non-Māori, so it's being able to portray that to our non-Māori speakers, being able to, because fully te reo Māori, how can I physicalise or how can I make the show more understandable for them to understand?
Kei te whakātu i tēnei whakaari ki o tautahi tainoa, ki te rā tapu, kātahi ka hoki atu te paki waitara ki tōna wāhi kāinga, ki rotorua. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.